Hey, hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about BitGert. It was BitRise. We're going to get over the updates. They have officially changed their name, rebranded completely. So yeah, that being said, let's just hop right in the video. So hopping onto the website at bitgert.com. I don't know how to say it right. Is it BitGert or BitGert? I'm going to say BitGert. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. So firstly, they have rebranded from their name BitRise to BitGert, as you guys can see. The website hasn't changed at all. They only update it whenever they do have some news, like exchanges. They're also going to be listed on KuCoin, so very nice on that. We only do have the logo changed over here at the top, so nothing more than that. I've made a couple of videos on the project a couple of weeks ago. I think 4 videos in total. Amazing project overall. A lot of ways to buy. And you also buy with credit card on changenow.io. Very easy way to buy. Also, they do have a lot of exchange partners. So I said before, they're going to get listed on KuCoin as well. You can buy on MEXC, on Bitmart as well, with Lbank, XT, and with IndoX at 0 fee. So a lot of ways to buy, very easy. Also, the whole market cap, it is pretty large. We're going to copy the address. They also do have 70,000 holders. That is an insane amount in my opinion, if you ask me. So yeah, let me just put in my password real quick over here. And we do have here the token, so BitRise token. We're going to put it in the 12-hour chart. Looks something like this. I've made a couple of videos whenever it was over here on the 13th of October before the pump, and on the 27th I think of October, or the 28th, before this amazing pump. As you guys can see over here, I think it pumped like 380 million, I'm not sure, but right now it's sitting at a 63 million market cap. Still amazing. The team is very nice. I do love them. Yeah, you guys can understand. So the products, they have launched a lot of products, such as the BitGert Audit. So they do have here, let me just go ahead and click. So you can request an audit. If you guys have a project, you can request an audit. I have the DAPP wallet. I've also made a lot of videos on the project. I'm going to link them down in the description for you guys to check them for yourself. Some were for the staking, how to stake, all of that. The DAPP wallet, the app is available on Android. It's not available on iOS yet, but on Android it is available. You can download it and use it. Very easy to use. So, and they do have the BitRise swap. It was launched on the 7th of December. So we're going to click on all of these. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is going to be just a very easy tutorial, not really a tutorial but a review on the project itself. So I have the BitRise wallet over here. As you guys can see, it is available on Google Play Store but not on the App Store. Very easy to use. I'll leave a link down in the description for the specific and only the dedicated video for the DAPP wallet down in the description. As well, they do have here the staking. You can stake with a API of 80%, so up to 80%. I have also showed how to stake in another video. I've staked like $5. As you guys can see over here, I am on my other account, and I have staked over here. If I scroll all the way down, so the stake date on the 14th in December, so 8 days ago, I have staked this amount and I have earned 1 cent. But I've only staked $5 just to showcase how to do it. And I can now harvest. So if I click on harvest, I'm going to be able to harvest, but I'm going to pay more in fees than I'm actually going to earn. So I'm going to reject this. So also the link for it will be down in the description on how to stake. Very easy. They do have 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days, up to 45% returns. So amazing overall. Yeah, I showed you guys already that you can buy with credit card. The DAPP wallet is very easy to use. Very nice design to it. Also, If we click onto the swap over here, you do have over here the trade over to the exchange, and you have a lot of already currencies, so like SpaceX, Doge, Hero, butter, and all that stuff. So yeah, again, very easy to use. It's way faster than PancakeSwap though. I've also tried it into the last video. Going to show you guys the tokenomics. So there's a static reward for it. There you get a 4% reward on every transaction for BUSD that's paid every minute. So you can claim your rewards by staking your tokens into the staking platform. Buyback system, 5% of each transaction adds to the buyback, and regular burns. All tokens that they buy, they're going to burn eventually. So they're going to make a great impact on it. So benefits for everyone. They do have here the white paper. I'm going to leave it down in the description. I've showed this white paper like 100 times already, so I'm going to show it again. The community itself is amazing. I highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter, as well as joining the Telegram group, because they do have a very large following over here, 40,000 members. Amazing community overall. Please go ahead and join. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. All the links for it will be down in the description, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your holidays, because they're coming up. And yeah,